Do you ever feel like Excel is breaking up with you? I mean, those page break lines can be pretty harsh. Alright, I got my dad joking for the day. But seriously, while page breaks in Excel do have a time and place, sometimes you just can't get rid of them fast enough. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove those pesky page break lines in just a few easy steps. And if you stick around to the end, got a bonus tip that will really save you some time when you're ready to print. Hey there, data people. It's Chris from Sheet Skunk, your friendly neighborhood data guy. And today we're going to talk about how to remove those annoying page break lines in your Excel worksheets. Now, when it comes to removing page break lines, there are a few areas to get familiar with. These are the breaks icon on the page layout tab, the page break preview, and the advanced display options for your Excel file. Before I show you how to use these to remove your page breaks, let's talk about why they're there in the first place. There's got to be a reason, right? Page break lines are inserted to indicate where a page ends and a new one begins. And although you may not always see them, they're resting behind the scenes controlling the printable layout of your file. Now, there are two kinds of page break lines in Excel: automatic and manual. The automatic page break lines are inserted by Excel. While you can make them disappear, it's impossible to completely delete them. Manual page breaks are break lines that are set by the user to change the default print layout. Now, you might have inserted these by accident. The good news is they can be removed permanently. Okay, let's get down to business. First things first, if you've got a file with all kinds of out-of-place manual page breaks, you can quickly reset all instances back to their automatic default by pressing Alt-P-B-A. Instead of those distracting solid markers, your Excel worksheet should now show dotted lines in their place. Now, don't worry about those for now. We're going to take care of them in a minute. Now, if you've got a specific page break line you want to remove without resetting the whole layout, start by selecting a cell in the row or column after the page break line. Then go to Page Layout tab and click on the Breaks button. From there, select Remove Page Break, and voila, your page break line is gone. Just make sure you click on the cell to the right of the column or below the row break. Just selecting the cell on the opposite side of the fence won't give you the same result. Now, what if you have more than one page break line to remove? No worries, click the Page Break Preview icon under the View tab of your ribbon. Alternatively, you could toggle your view by selecting the corresponding options on the status bar. From here, you'll see a zoomed out view of your worksheet with page breaks highlighted in blue. Using the same method, select a cell after the line you want to remove, then right-click and select Remove Page Break. Go ahead and switch back to normal view and you'll find your sheet free of solid break lines. But wait just a minute, you might be saying, what's with the dotted lines? Well, these are the automatic page breaks that Excel needs to have in your file. To make those disappear, click on File, Options, open the Advanced Settings, and scroll down to the Display options for this worksheet. Go ahead and uncheck the Show Page Breaks box and click OK. If you're still seeing the dotted lines in your sheet, save your document and restart Excel. Now for your bonus tip. Did you know there's a faster way to remove the existing page break lines in Excel? It's true. Simply go back to the page break preview, click and drag the page break line to the desired location, and you're good to go. So there you have it. Removing page break lines in Excel is a breeze once you know how to do it. Now go on and get rid of those distracting eyesores and back to the task at hand. Now, if you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel for more Excel tips and tricks. And don't forget to leave a comment below with any Excel questions you have for me to answer in the next video. Thanks for watching.